Hey there, my name's David. On this episode, I'll be taking you through a 3-ingredient applesauce, a homemade applesauce. And so yeah, let's get to it. First, we need to go get some apples. So I'm out in the yard here, I'm gonna go get some apples, and I may actually add a 4th ingredient, but it's not necessary. Okay, so this is my apple tree. It looks like it's got a blackberry growing in it. Or maybe not a video, we'll see. So some apples here. So we got a couple more apples, we'll leave those on the tree. And I have 3 here in the bowl. So I'm gonna go get a 4th ingredient just for fun, just to kind of add a little bit of color and see what it does to the applesauce, but you don't need to add this. It's going to be a black nightshade berry. So these are black nightshade berries. They have like a bit of a kind of a tomatoey, sweet tomatoey taste, and they have a really nice color to them. Here's the problem with picking black nightshade berries. They always explode in your hands. Okay, so we're back in the kitchen here. We've got our apples with a bit of black nightshade berry juice on them. And the berries are all in here. I've got just a small amount, that's enough. And so the other 2 ingredients in this recipe are, okay, we have cinnamon and we have vanilla. So this is all you need. You can try putting the berries in, or some other blueberries, something, if you want to try it like I'm gonna do here. We're going to first blend up our apples and then add all this other stuff in there. Okay, so for doing this, if you have a Vitamix, super powerful, or maybe a Blendtec or something, you don't really need to chop up the apples all that much. Just give them a quick kind of chop them in half kind of thing. Probably not needed. So that's all I'm gonna do, just a little bit of, a few cuts in there, that's it. If you also want to try this with pears, pears make surprisingly very good applesauce. I don't know why that is. And then we've got our vanilla. So good. So we're just gonna put a little dash of this in there. I don't really know how to measure that. Probably like a teaspoon worth. Dash of that, and then the cinnamon, the same thing. The thing with cinnamon is you don't want to overdo it too much, or it's kind of hard to balance that flavor out. You'd have to add another apple to thicken it up a bit to dilute the cinnamon taste. Same thing with vanilla, so don't go too crazy. If anything, dial it back, put in less, and then you can always add more to get the flavor where you want. But if you go overboard, then you're gonna need more apples or pears. And so that's what we're left with here. Now we're gonna see if this works without any liquid in it, because we do want an apple sauce and not like an apple drink. So I'll use the tamper and see what I can do. Okay, so I left that for a good minute or so, and oh my god, it smells so good. So I'm gonna put some of it in here, and then I'll add in the berries and see what it does to it. So we'll leave that. Now let's add some berries to this. A little note here too, when you're cooking, if you clean stuff right away like I just did there, it makes cleanup so much easier, and then you can truly be a lot lazier with your cooking. Okay, so we got the second one here with the black nightshade berries. Okay, so we've got these 2 done now. We've got one that's more of a pumpkin-y kind of color to it. And then we have the one, obviously the black nightshade berry one, turned purplish. Okay, so now for time for the taste test. This is the one that probably most of you will be making if you're following this recipe. So just simple, vanilla, cinnamon, and apples. Oh, it's like heaven in my mouth. It's so good. So this one, let's try this out. Oh wow. Okay. Those black nightshade berries made this taste really good. You can try this with blueberries, and I bet it would taste kind of similar. Or maybe if you put like a couple, like 1 or 2 tomatoes in there with some blueberries, would be pretty close. But that's kind of what black nightshade berries taste like. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, very good. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you try this recipe out. And yeah, be sure to subscribe. And until next one, have a good one.